Looking for the best airflow PC cases in 2024? Well, your search ends here. In the world PC builds, airflow is paramount. It's the unsung hero keeps your high-powered components cool, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. The best cases marry design, cooling performance, build quality and value for money, creating a perfect home for your hardware. Today, we'll be exploring the top 5 airflow PC cases of 2024, each offering a unique blend of these essential qualities. So, let's dive right into it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description below. Starting the countdown at number 5, we have the Cooler Master MasterBox NR600. This PC case is a testament to the mantra of less is more. With its sleek, minimalist design, it lets your components do the talking, but don't let its simplicity fool you. The MasterBox NR600 is a powerhouse when it comes to thermal performance. Thanks to its fine mesh front panel, it offers exceptional airflow that keeps your system running cool under pressure. And let's talk about space. This compact case has a spacious interior that comfortably houses up to ATX motherboards, making it a versatile choice for both novices and experienced builders. What's more, the MasterBox NR600 offers all these features without breaking the bank. It strikes a fine balance between functionality, design, and affordability, making it a standout choice for budget-conscious builders. If you're on a budget but still need a strong performer, this is a great option. Moving on to number 4, it's the Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact. This little gem has made quite an impact in the world of PC cases. Its compact design doesn't compromise on space or performance, providing ample room for your components while keeping everything cool with its excellent airflow. One thing's for certain, the Meshify 2 Compact doesn't skimp on breathability. The magic lies in its unique angular mesh front panel. This isn't just for show, it serves a practical purpose. It enhances air intake, keeping your system cool under pressure, no matter how high you decide to crank up your settings. Building in this case is a breeze. Even first-timers will find it easy to navigate, thanks to its well-thought-out design and layout. You'll be up and running in no time, with a system that not only performs but also looks the part. This case does a fantastic job of balancing size, performance and aesthetics. Coming in at number 3, we have the Corsair 7000D Airflow. This isn't just a PC case, it's an architectural wonder in the world of computer hardware. The Corsair 7000D Airflow is all about size, and it utilizes every bit of its massive chassis. With its colossal dimensions, it can comfortably accommodate a multitude of radiators and fans, ensuring your system remains frosty even under the most demanding workloads. But let's not forget about the cooling performance. It's in the name, after all, airflow. With a design focused on maximizing air circulation, it delivers top-notch cooling so your components stay cooler for longer. And what about build quality? Well, the Corsair 7000D Airflow doesn't compromise. The sturdy, high-quality materials used in its construction make it a robust and durable choice. For those who need room for serious hardware and cooling, the Corsair 7000D Airflow is a top contender. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is the NZXT H9 Flow. This case is a marvel of engineering, combining not just form and function, but also giving you a dash of pizzazz. The NZXT H9 Flow is a standout, thanks to its sleek and modern design that is sure to impress. But this case isn't just about good looks. It's also about performance. The NZXT H9 Flow offers excellent cooling performance, ensuring your PC components stay frosty even during the most demanding gaming sessions or heavy workloads. One of the key features of this case is its clean cable management options. It allows you to keep your setup tidy and organized, promoting better airflow and easier upgrades. But the real cherry on top? The NZXT H9 Flow comes with integrated RGB lighting. This feature lets you customize your PC's aesthetics to match your style or mood, making your setup truly unique. This case is a perfect blend of style and substance. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lian Li O11 Vision. Its stunning design and unrivaled airflow genuinely set it apart. The premium build quality is evident in every inch of this masterpiece. The Lian Li O11 Vision features a unique dual-chamber design that aids in superior heat dissipation, ensuring your components stay cool even under heavy load. Plus, its design beautifully showcases your components, making it a showstopper. The Lian Li O11 Vision is without doubt the king of airflow PC cases in 2024.